Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the sixth part of Basic of Pharmaceutical Production. In previous videos, we were discussing about the pharmaceutical company and their rule, schedules and different regulations. This video is going to about what is the meaning of safety in life science sector. To understand the meaning of safety, first we have to know about what an accident is. Accident is an unplanned, undesired event giving rise to death, ill health, injury, damage, or other losses to personal or property. To understand the accident, there is a theory which is known as the domain theory. It is also known as Heinrich theory, which is developed by W. H. Heinrich. Heinrich's domain theory states that accidents result from a chain of sequential events, metaphorically like a line of domains falling over. We can easily understand the Heinrich theory by this chart which is given in this slide. Relation between unsafe act, unsafe condition and hazard as per domino theory are as follow. Unsafe act or conditions are responsible for the incident because when somebody does any unsafe act and creates an unsafe condition, actually that person creates a hazard which leads to accident. These are the basic term and very important term which is necessary in life science sector. These are as follow: unsafe act, unsafe conditions, eliminations, substitutions, engineered control and administrative controls. Any act that deviates from a generally recognized safe way or a specified method of doing a job and creates a hazard to themselves, to another person, or to equipment is termed as unsafe act. Unsafe condition is a condition in which something exists that varies from a normal accepted safe condition and if not corrected could cause injury, death or property damage like chemical spills is termed as unsafe condition. Elimination is the most effective hazard control method in life science sector. In this control method, hazard is removed from the source physically. Substitution is the most effective hazard control method. It involves replacing something that produces a hazard with something that does not produce a hazard. Simply, it is just a replacement of things. Next term is engineered controls. The third most effective mean of controlling hazard. Engineered control are methods that are built into the design of plant, equipment or process to minimize the hazard. Administrative controls are change to the way people work. Do not remove hazard but limit or prevent people's exposure to the hazard. A safety sign is a sign providing information or instruction about safety sign at work by means of a signboard, a color, an illuminated sign, a signal, a verbal communication, or hand signal. A signboard is a sign which provides information or instruction by a combination of shape, color, and a symbol or pictograph. These are the pictures of different type of warning sign. Here E represents explosive, F represents highly flammable, XN represent harmful, C represent corrosive, O represent oxidizing, T represents toxic, N represent harmful for the environment and XI represent irritating. In the definition of safety sign, I used few terms like acoustic signal, hand signals and verbal signals. Let's try to understand the meaning of these terms. First one is acoustic signal. In general term, we can say this as sound signal. It should be set at a level which is considerably higher in term of frequency than the ambient noise. It is not used more than one at a time. Second is hand signal. It can be used to direct hazardous operations and it ensures that the signals are precise, simple, and easy to make and to understand everyone easily. Third one is verbal signals. It is used to direct hazardous operations such signals can be spoken message given either by humans or artificial voice. A spoken message must be clear and understood by listeners. That's all about today's video. Hope you like it. Thank you.